This guide will delve into how businesses can meet this demand through efficient production methods, versatile designs, and effective marketing strategies. Whether you're a manufacturer, retailer, or simply a furniture enthusiast, there's valuable insight to be gained from this approach. If you find this information helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on innovative furniture solutions and market trends. In today's fast-paced market, the demand for stylish, functional, and affordable wood furniture is ever increasing. Quick Sell Wood Furniture refers to a line of products designed for rapid production and swift sales, catering to consumers who seek quality craftsmanship without the long wait times. This approach not only meets customer needs, but also enhances profitability for manufacturers and retailers. One of the primary advantages of Quick Sell Wood Furniture is its efficient production methods. This includes streamlined processes that utilize modern manufacturing techniques such as CNC machining and automated assembly lines, significantly reducing production time. The selection of readily available hardwoods like pine, birch, and oak ensures durability while remaining cost-effective. Additionally, modular designs allow for easy assembly and disassembly, facilitating faster shipping and setup. The furniture line also focuses on stylish and functional designs that appeal to a broad audience. With versatile aesthetics, it offers a range of styles from contemporary to rustic, ensuring there is something for every taste in home decor. Furthermore, multifunctional pieces, such as storage ottomans or extendable dining tables, cater to space-conscious consumers who seek practicality without compromising on style. Market responsiveness plays a crucial role in the success of Quick Sell Wood Furniture. By quickly adapting designs based on current market trends and consumer preferences, businesses can ensure their products remain relevant. The introduction of seasonal or limited edition lines creates urgency, encouraging quicker purchasing decisions among consumers. Effective marketing strategies are essential for reaching the target audience efficiently. Leveraging e-commerce platforms and social media allows brands to showcase new products and promotions, reaching a wider audience rapidly. Engaging with customers through feedback loops and reviews not only improves product offerings, but also helps build a loyal customer base. Sustainability considerations are increasingly important in today's market, and Quick Sell Wood Furniture addresses this by committing to eco-friendly practices. This includes sustainable sourcing of materials and environmentally friendly manufacturing processes, appealing to eco-conscious consumers. Additionally, the focus on durable construction extends the lifespan of the furniture, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Small business owners in need of eye-catching furniture for cafes, offices, or retail spaces will find this line particularly appealing, especially due to the quick production times. Quick Sell Wood Furniture Fast production for high demand is an innovative approach to furniture manufacturing that aligns with the needs of today's consumers. By focusing on efficient production, stylish designs, and effective marketing, businesses can capitalize on the growing demand for quality wood furniture while ensuring customer satisfaction and loyalty. This strategy not only drives sales, but also positions companies as leaders in a competitive market. Thank you all for watching our video on Quick-Sell Wood Furniture, fast production for high demand. We appreciate your time and interest in exploring innovative solutions in the furniture market. Your support means a lot to us. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates on the latest trends in furniture and design. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us create more content that you love. Thanks again for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.